Meaning of fan fiction.
Fan fiction.
Fan fiction.
Fan fiction.
Fan fiction. Fan fiction refers to a type of fictional writing that is created by fans of a particular work of fiction, such as a book, movie, or TV show. In fan fiction, fans use characters, settings, and other elements of the original work to create their own stories and expand upon the existing universe. These works are usually not authorized by the original creators and are shared within fan communities. Fan fiction can range from serious literary endeavors to humorous or even erotic stories. Overall, it allows fans to explore and express their passion for a particular work of fiction.